Morning, Whidbey Island gardeners. Hey, my name is Brett. I'm trying to get a little gardening channel going to promote more gardening out here on the island and to meet other gardeners and stuff. What I was going to talk about today is I did some sunflower seeds to do some sunflower plants, and I don't have a greenhouse or anything, so I was just going to show you what I did to get my seedlings going, and then I'm also putting them into the ground now that it's May 1st today, so I could have a couple succession plantings so I can do cut flowers for my wife and stuff. And she really loves sunflowers. And I'm doing other stuff like gladiolas, dahlias, zinnias, peonies, and other growing things. But anyway, here's what I did for my sunflowers, and it might be a good little tip for you all too. So all right, let me come around here. So what I did is I started off, and I don't have the seed bag anymore. Started off with just a bag of seeds, and it was one of those mixtures of like 1,000 varieties, like 12 or 13 different varieties or something like that. And I bought one of these little trays with the decomposing like peat moss seed holders, so I started a bunch of seeds like that. And then what I did is, I don't have a greenhouse, I just used a regular plastic container. I had a whole bunch of these containers with the lid. So, and what I did is I did the seed pod up, then I put the little transplanting pot or seedling pots trays into the container, and I would let it get some sun during the day with the lid on, so it would create some humidity inside. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty humid in there. And then at night I would bring them back into my garage because it was still kind of cold. I started those ones about 3 weeks or so ago. And then so after the first 2 weeks I started leaving them out overnight with the lid still on, and that way they'll start acclimating to the temperatures. And what I did today is I've done up a few pots where I've separated them a little bit so that I can put these like on the deck or something. A lot of these are going to go in the ground, and then I will show you where I did my little in-ground part for the seeds I just planted yesterday. Okay, so here in the backyard where we get like 8-9 hours of sun from like May, June, July, August. I did a small little, I'm going to redo the whole backyard this fall, but so I just did a little like a half moon shaped area. It's maybe 9 foot. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 9 foot. And so what I did is I scraped the grass out. I'm gonna get a sod cutter later on and do a whole big new area, but just used a flat shovel, scraped out the grass, and then I used my little mini tiller to till the soil, get the roots out, put some compost and some garden soil in there, mixed that all in, and then I planted seeds. And so these will be the growing beds for during the summertime. So I got some sunflowers in the middle, and then I have zinnias around the edges, so that'll be nice. And so yeah, that's all I'm doing. And then we'll, like I said, I want to do bigger growing beds. Let me see if I can back up some here. And so yeah, I have these raised beds over here right now that I want to get these two out, and I want to make a bigger growing area coming out from this part here that I've done, and so I can do more I'll have some peonies, you know, some regular perennials in there, but then some growing stuff for the annuals, so I can do cut flowers. But yeah, that was my little tip, just to if you're short on space, no greenhouse, what to use, and hopefully that will help you out. I also did some zinnias, and I did some lupine, and I think that was the 3 I did in my little plastic containers. So anyway, drop me a line. It'd be great to meet some other gardeners here on Whidbey Island. All right, enjoy the Sunday.